Hi, I'm Hilary Talbot, acupuncture physician and clinical herbalist, coming to you from St. Petersburg, Florida. Today we're going to discuss an acupressure point that is sometimes helpful in alleviating the symptoms of gout. Now, if you've ever experienced gout, you understand that this is an extremely painful condition when it's acute and inflamed. Often the site is the big toe that is most affected in some people, but gout can actually go anywhere in the body, in any of the joints. Sometimes people experience it in the ankle or even the knee, and it's misdiagnosed because the common perception is that it should occur in the base of the first metatarsal bone. So, if you've ever had gout or seen it, you understand that when it's acute, it's red and hot and painful, and nobody wants you to touch it. So the last thing you would want to do is apply pressure to that area. So I'm going to show you a distal point today that is effective for clearing what we call damp heat. Now, damp heat is one of about 7 patterns that could be a pattern of disharmony causing your gout. So it's important to consult your local acupuncture physician so that you can get a proper diagnosis to understand what the root cause of the gout really is. Gallbladder 34 is the point that we're going to be highlighting today. This point is found on the lateral side of the leg, one soon, which is about 1 thumb breadth on most people, anterior and inferior to the fibula head. So what does that mean to most of us? If you start on the medial side of the lateral malleolus, which is this big bony feature on the ankle, and run your finger up the gallbladder meridian, often your finger just stops in this little hollow just prior to the head of the fibula bone in the leg. Now you want to apply firm to moderate pressure here in a counterclockwise direction. And again, this point will help to alleviate what we call damp heat. So if the gout is red and hot and swollen, then this might be an effective point for treating the gout. And you can see that it's far away from the foot where the gout usually occurs, so it's not going to be painful to the patient. I would suggest, if gout is a problem, actually pressing on this point daily. Of course, there are many other things that need to be considered for the treatment of gout, such as lifestyle and diet modifications. So again, check with your local acupuncture physician, and you can find one on acufinder.com to help you alleviate gout and prevent it from returning permanently. I'm Hilary Talbot, and that was Acupressure for Gout.